Hi, this is Cryptonomics. This channel covers cryptocurrency related market trends and information. Okay, this is reported by Bloomberg. Bitcoin is more likely to hit $10,000 than $30,000. Surveys finds, right? The majority does see Bitcoin tumbling to $10,000 in MLIV survey. Retail investors are more bearish on crypto than professionals, right? Okay, so let us look at the latest market survey, right? Investors who think Bitcoin is heading lower, this actually means who are bearish, around 60% of them, right? Who think that Bitcoin will head to $10,000, right? So less than half think that we are going back to $30,000. So this is pretty much bearish market sentiment in my opinion. But again, why do their opinions actually matter? Right? Maybe I'm bullish, maybe I'm right, maybe they are bearish, maybe they are wrong. You could be saying this, but I want to warn you that market sentiments actually do matter because the market is actually made up of buyers and sellers who make buy or sell trades based on their future expectations, right? So when you have more people, slightly more people who are actually bearish than bullish, right? Guess what happens? There are actually more sellers in the market right now than buyers, right? So more sell orders, less buy orders. What happens, right? More sell orders, less buy orders, the price has to fall to a new equilibrium, right? That's why you see a bear market, we have like a consolidation, then price going down, then consolidation, then price going down, then consolidation, price going down. So the price actually is trying to find its equilibrium, right? But when I will be bullish is that if I see, like say, 90% of the market participant bearish, right, or only 10% of the market participants are bullish, right? When that happens in the future, it might be a reverse signal, right? Because when everyone is in the market is bearish, it actually means that the market is actually running out of sellers. So think about this: when 90% of the market is bearish, it means that most of the people who actually have a negative opinion have already sold their tokens, right? When you have sold the tokens, your opinion no longer matter because you can't be a buyer anymore. So people who are actually bullish, who just became bullish, or people who are actually sitting on the sidelines, just a little bit of money entering the market, and you can see a strong reversal pattern from the bottom. So usually when this kind of survey, when you have like say 60% of bearish, 20% bullish, or vice versa, usually the majority opinions are correct because majority of the opinions are also the majority of the market participants, right? If there are actually more bullish participants, the price will go up. If there are actually more bearish participants, price will go down. The only case that this isn't true is in the extreme cases when 90% are bullish, when 90% are bearish. Remember crypto in 2021, right? In 2021, April or May, right? 90% of the market participants are actually are bullish, right? They're thinking like Bitcoin can go to 150K and 100K, right? But why didn't that happen? Because the market is actually running out of buyers. Every possible participants who are bullish have already bought their tokens. It's that simple, right? For the market to actually, for Bitcoin to actually go beyond 70K to 100K to 150K, you have to have the institutional funds, right? Sovereign wealth funds, bigger institutional fund, let's say sovereign wealth funds coming in, and the big pension funds putting in more of their money into Bitcoin, right? But of course, we know that didn't happen. So actually, we run out of buyers, right? And end up the VC people like Michael Saylor, the big players, become the back holders, right? People who bought between 40K to 60K become the back holders, right? So take this survey seriously, right? When you have more market participants, actually slightly more market participants, actually 40-60, 70-30, this kind of ratio, right? Usually the majority are correct. Right? It's like the beginning phase of the 2021, right? some people are still in doubt of the bull market, but actually more people are bullish than bearish, so the majority are correct. The majority is usually correct unless the entire market becomes bullish or bearish. So it's likely that we are going to hit towards $10,000 rather than $30,000. So don't ape the market, right? Don't ape in and try to time the bottom. Be very, very careful, right? Even if you want to buy now, be very prepared that it can go $10,000 this low. That's all for today. Do like my if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please like my video.